Hi. Hi, Chill and Relax. Hello, Mick. Hello, Undergrow. Glad you got home safe last night, Mick. Whew. Got to set up my scope. Oh, no, don't cry. You did cry. Oh, no one. I forgot to turn off the source. Discord notification? Yeah. Just sorting out my scope. I forgot to set it up. Scope. Unplug. Deactivate. Morning. Ghost cry. Yeah, you activated it. Plug it back in. Man, I struggled waking up this morning. Hello, EDM. Morning. I struggled so hard. I had set Alexa alarm off like 4 times. I was like, give me an extra 5 minutes. Mick, Chill and Relax is hard work, you see. I'm joking. He warned me out. Just trying to change a few settings. I think that might do it. Okay. Cool. Right, yeah, so I've got a few things today. Got more coming, supposed to be. I've got the screw tray here, ready. The Furby's in the house waiting for batteries. So that's cool. Alright, so this is my friend's one he dropped off yesterday, no, day before yesterday. So I'm going to crack on with that before carrying on with the other stuff. Just need to test it. See what's going on. Yay, Furbies. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. Just have it in the workshop in here and just like keep it on. And it would just keep jabbering away throughout the whole stream. Right, so it does work. Let's go to a screen. Hardware. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, cool. Connect the controller. Oh, Jesus, yeah, it's the left one. All the buttons work? Yep. Okay, that's cool. Just the left one. Left stick drift. Let's get into it. Are you on Top Chat? I am on Top Chat. Thank you, Undergrow. Are you on Top Chat? Thank you, I am. Why am I missing notifications? Live chat. Oh, there you go. It's not boing, Andy. Oh, sorry. Yay, stick drift. I'm on live. Yeah, I missed that. See, it hit your comment then, saying it's not boing. It's just revealed it. That's mental. There's only like 3 of us in chat anyway. Oh god. Hello, Sai. You're alright. Yeah, I fixed the hairdryer yesterday. You should have seen the amount of hair that was in it. It had women's makeup all over it. Or, you know, that bronzer powder, whatever. I think it's called bronzer. This was caked, like, underneath. I had to take that off. Stripped it down. The motor was just caked in hair. I was getting tweezers, picking it out, blew it out and everything. I took this off, blew inside there, so it all gushed out there. Blew down in there, so it gushed out the back. I've just glued the button down today. Because I glued it down yesterday, but it didn't hold. But I might have to use a bit of super glue. But at the minute, I've used hot glue. But it seems okay now. Yeah, so it works. I just need to get one of those little filter covers, which is like £2 on AliExpress. And then it's a fully complete one. Hopefully, all the girls in the house will be happy with it. 35 quid, not bad. Morning, you have no use for that. Hello, Phil. And no, I don't. I don't. I cry. I wish I did. I used to try and like do a little front quiff with it and stuff. Actually, no, that will not even be any good for me because I needed one with the weird spout that goes out like that to help direct the airflow. I wish I did have hair. Yeah, YouTube basically said I'm spamming. Did it? On what? What? I don't get it. YouTube basically said I'm spamming. Is that... Oh, right, that's why it didn't show it. I see. Look. Where am I going to put the screws? Not there. Ding, 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 ding. In my tray. That's probably... I need to zoom in a little bit. You guys are like in space right now. There you go. Oh, Mick, did you try that TV? Hopefully it worked. Falcon! Falcon! Morning. Not yet, buddy. Okay, cool. Don't ever test it, just in case it doesn't work. No, it will work. There's absolutely zero reason why it wouldn't. Quickly bash this one out in like 40 minutes, hopefully. Maybe less. Oh yeah, it's not been opened before. Bing. No one was... Oh, Rusty Russ, man. What a result at the end for him. Right? Props to him, man. He did it a lot smoother yesterday on that Series S. Amazing job. Hello, Andy. Are you lonely today or all on... Yeah, do you fancy coming down? I don't even know whereabouts you live. I bet you're a mission away. You're in the middle area of the UK. In England. Yes, epic trace pair from Russ. It was amazing. Whoop, whoop. That's poor. I need to stick down my solder cleaner thingy. What? That's nearly 4 hours drive. That's mental. Forget that. That's just like almost half the day gone. I hope one day I'll achieve that. What? The trace repair? You will do. Just keep trying. Jaytan, hello. You look like James McCovey. Who's that? Hey Google. Images of James McCovey. No.
Have a look at these pictures.
McAvoy. Sorry, wrong one. Oh, there he is. What? I look nothing like him. He's got hair. McAvoy. He's got hair. I look nothing like him. Hey Google. He was bold in a movie. Oh, images of James McAvoy. Bold.
Here are some pictures that match.
Damn it. Oh, that's a new one. Thank you. Oh, I've not seen that. What film is that then? I was looking at getting a foot pedal for my fume extractor. They're only like £8 on Amazon. Thing is, how would you wire them up? There's 3 wires to them. One for continuous and one for press and hold. Is that a bit of liquid damage? Potentially. Search the movie Split. Ah. Hey Google. James McAvoy in the movie Split.
Split has 8 characters. Here are the first 3. Patricia, Kevin, Wendell Crumb, and Hedwig.
I guess I'm Hedwig. If that's the same guy you're referring to. What's the actor's name? What, all of them? Is he all of them? Oh, was that the one where he has split personality? Is that the film? If so, I've seen that one. Very, very, very long time ago. Yes. Ah, yeah, I've watched that ages ago. Christ. I must have been about mid-20s. So I could barely remember that film. Might have to watch it again, you know. That's when I used to live in the old house. Completely forgot about that. But yeah, thank you. I'd take that as a compliment, maybe. Yep. Oh, I'm going to look at that speaker today at some point as well. I've messaged the guy about his 1970s record player thing, telling him I don't want to attempt to take the string off and whatnot. I've emailed him because he's got a house phone and I don't really want to call up. Because I'm a chicken. Hedwig, you don't look like an owl. No, that's Hagrid, innit? No, is that his name? Hedwig in Harry Potter? The owl's name? I don't know. Oh, fuck. Ah! My things fell apart. Oh no, where'd it go? Ah. I think I got it. The weirdo is here. Oh god, PCDD, you little shit. How are you, man? Long time no see. I didn't miss you. Where you been? Wait, I think I'm missing something still. I am, I'm still missing something. Oh no. I'm missing the top. Why did that come on? I need some thread locker, whatever it is. I've got some. Why didn't I use it? I'm missing the red cap. Is it in here? Oh, it is in here. Got it. Hedwig is Harry Potter's owl. Oh. I should get some thread locker. I've got some. I just said that. So I'm losing the plot.
Oh no!
Yep. Oh no. It's okay. I've got it. I've got it. It's fine. Right. I'm going to have to zoom out for this. Ta-da! Nice. Good morning all. Happy Tuesday. You're streaming tomorrow, right? Not chill. He's on my brain. PCDD. I think you got it scheduled for Wednesday. Yep, a long one. I feel plenty of jobs are different stuff. Wow, 9 a.m. till we finish. Bloody hell. That's why I need to reply to a few people. They were emailing me yesterday. Haven't yet replied. Oops. Well, I've got to get out of a habit, because what I'm doing at the minute is every time I finish with my iron, I clean it and then re-tin. I shouldn't. I should just re-tin it straight away without cleaning. Always clean before, not after. That's the mistake I'm making, so I've got to get out of that habit. Alright, I've got to get my silver line out. Oh, I can't do this under the scope. Oh, and tweezers. Pliers. Sorry, pliers. I'm only on 370. Let's change the air to 40%. So I still believe it gets hotter the slower the air is. I always wipe the head when I'm done. Yeah, so you shouldn't really. You want to keep as much oxidation off as possible. Wow, look at that. Lowering your airspeed is actually better. Look at that, it's almost out. Hold on. There. Look at that. Magic. That's much quicker. Still shiny. There you go. Feels a bit squeaky. Oh wow. Slow airflow. Yeah, Lee does this. Well, slow airflow. Yeah, I just noticed that. And it actually controls the heat a lot more, like you don't burn other stuff. Amazing. Oh god, this is full. My lid's not even closing. Oh, just about closed there. Nah, it's not closing properly now. Overflow. Good stream. Thank you, Tom. Tommy. It was good. Exhausted. I was knackered for some reason. I need to clean that bit up. Done. Oh, West. West is here? Oh yeah, there you are, West. Sorry, you look very similar to PCDD's icon. Somehow. Oh, I've got to get a new analog stick. This one? No, this one? No, this one? Yes. And then after this, I'm going to look at not PCDD. Oh my god, now he's on my mind. Chill and Relax's thing. Full bin. It is full. I'm going to have to chuck it. We had a good laugh. Good. I'm glad you did enjoy it. Are these legs okay? No, looks slightly bent. Okay. Nice and easy. Yep, got to make him a slushie and a coffee. My scene is okay. Hold on. Well, there's nothing wrong with my scene. My scene's fine. Yeah, I'll go under the scope in a second. The pictures of the clown. I loved that, Chill. Honestly, I absolutely loved that scene. Scope. Yeah, I'll do it under the scope now. I just wanted to just anchor it down, and to do that, you need to put pressure at the back of the board to make sure it's stuck down. But now I could do it under the scope. See? Fume extractor on. Yeah, I absolutely love that picture. Any difference between the blue and orange TMRs, just colour? I have no idea about TMRs. I've only ever used TMRs once. I've never Apart from the ones in my Switch Lite, which I've done now, but that's on Switch, not PS5. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh man, why is this wobbling? Someone even emailed me saying if they even bought the TMR sticks, would I do it? I said no. I don't know why I'm against them. It's crazy. I don't know why not. I really don't know. It's just I hear a lot of horror stories about them like keep going out of sync and you have to keep recalibrating them and stuff like that. I guess I'm scared. Hello, Ozzy. How are you, mate? You alright? Yeah. Don't know why I always do that in an Australian accent when I say your name. I'm not happy with one of them. Look at that. Look at the size of that ball. That looks ugly. Damn it. There you go. Much better. So, do you just use like for like analog sticks? Yeah. Again, I don't know why. To be fair, I've still not had some come back yet. So they still last a while. Okay. Sounds Welsh. No, it doesn't. Nothing like Wales. Okay, that looks good. I'm not worried about scraping off the old factory flux, to be honest. I mean, constantly recalibrating them sounds better than permanent drift. Yeah, I guess. It takes like a minute. Pfft, yeah, a minute if it depends. Yeah, I know. I'm not doing it. I'm not ordering TMR sticks as well as ordinary sticks. I don't know. They could go somewhere else and do that. I'm sorry. It's not for TMRs. Well, I am. I would do it in my own controllers and stuff. Stop retracting your messages. Stop spamming, waving, and thumbs up. And what did you do? What did you do? Sit on your keyboard or something? Pointy boy, yeah, they were, weren't they? They were peaking. I know you love it. If you say so. What happened to that controller with the sticks that are replaceable when they start drifting? What happened to that controller with the sticks that are replaceable? Wes, what do you mean, Wes? Is that a solder blob there? I heard the replacement sticks are more expensive than new controller or something like that. Oh. Replacement sticks. What happened to that controller where the sticks are replaced? Oh, you're on about the Edge, DualSense Edge controllers. Yeah, there's like £30 a stick or something, I think. But I think you could also replace them rather than buy a new set. I think you could turn them into TMRs as well. Sorry, I'm still cleaning up the factory flux. Okay. Is there a version of the PS5 controller where you can take out the sticks and replace them without doing any soldering? Yes, the Edge. It is the Edge, yeah. Thank you, Undergrow. You understood me. And yeah, they're expensive to replace. People are stupid enough to buy them, which I don't get. I really don't get. No offense to them, but it's like these scuff controllers. You pay that extra money just for a bit of ribbon and a tiny PCB board to be able to press extra buttons, but you've got them buttons already on your controller. Do you know what I mean? Picking up what I'm putting down. Shit. Ooh, I should get my Game Boy Advance SP today. Overpriced. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Isn't they like 200 odd quid? Or even more for the Edge. And the scuffs. Would be a great idea if it works. Yeah. I'll put my stickers in it. Actually, yeah, I better do. So it's going to be a mate's, but it's not. It's a mate's mate. So I'll put a sticker in it. It's a mate's mate. Blimey, well overpriced, yeah. If it were cheap. Hey Google, how much are scuff PS5 controllers?
These are the top results.
Why did you show me pictures, man? I didn't ask for pictures. £209, £284. Holy crap. Yeah, ridiculous. It's disgusting. There you go, it didn't take too long to do this PS5 controller, did it? How long have I been streaming for? 30 minutes. Okay, I did say 40 minutes. Damn it. It's too long. Plus I have to calibrate it. Ugh. Hi, Smoker. Nice one, Andy. Well, I still haven't finished yet. I've got to put it together and calibrate. too long. Especially for the price you bloody pay for these. 15 quid. £15. Actually, it's £15 per stick, so if they wanted two, it would have been 30 quid, which isn't bad because I could do that in less than 45 minutes. Well, why is that not going in? There you go. Nice. Let's give it a quick plug. How are you? Yeah, I'm okay. I struggled waking up this morning, but I'm awake now. I've had a coffee. I had a few more minutes in bed. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. Okay, that looks good. All buttons work. Clickety click. How are you, the smoker? Perfect. Now we go back to this, and there we go. Spot on. Fixed. Done. 32 minutes. I'm okay, thanks for asking. Good, good. Now, this one is a chill and relaxes I button. Got another. Oh yeah, I've got to test that speaker as well. Chill and relaxes thing. It says, has bad belt, needs all caps. Hopefully it's got no data on it. So I don't know what this is yet. So if you're in here, chill and relax, could you please just update me on what it is? Well, actually, I might be able to find out what it is, but if I open it, as soon as I open it and find out what it is, I'll update title. Nice one, Andy. Oh, better keep his bubble wrap. You know he's low on bubble wrap. Ooh, oh god, it's a tape player. Cassette. Never opened one of these. A sticky out screw there. Oh no, is there batteries? No. I'm gonna have to find some. What are they, double A's? Probably. It's a Walkman. How do I eject it? Christ. Oh, eject didn't even work. Wait, what? I guess it only... I do have a tape. I do have a cassette. Yes. Posh Walkman with LCD display. Sony Walkman. It doesn't say Walkman though. Let me change the title. Retro. I do. Cool. Sony Walkman tape player. All in one. Need tape for reject to work. I've replaced the belt, just needs caps. Okay. I can't remember which way around these tapes go. Man, it's been such a long time. Usually you just slide it in, but this one's not a sliding one. What's this? What the f... This is so bad. I don't even know how to add a tape. Jesus. Well, it looks like it goes in like that. What? You have to add it in that way? Surely you just slide it in and then close it. No, eject still don't work. Now my tape's stuck in there. I have a feeling it's missing something. There's no way you have to manually add a tape like that. Yep, that's Buddy. Really? So what's the point of the eject button? Alright. Okay. Right, let's get into it then. Is it easy to get into? It looks half open. Let me just undo all these tiny screws. So we've got one hefty long one there. Yes, add tape like that, but eject should lift the tape. I'll try and figure it out afterwards. I still want another mini disc player, honestly. I miss mine so much. The most things that I miss as a kid is my personal CD player. I had a cheapy one, but I loved the hell out of it. Game Boy Advance SP, which I've now just ordered another one. And my mini disc player. I don't know if that really long one goes in there, you know. Do you have headphones? No. No, I don't. God, that's a tiny screw. Right, can this come out? I guess that probably needs to be open. Oh, maybe that one needs to come out. I'm looking for one as well, Sony's mini disc player. I can't remember which brand my one was. But I just remember recording radios straight onto mini disc, and oh, it's just so good. And just the feel of holding that little mini disc in there and sliding it in, and oh, amazing. Oops, I closed that lid again. Is there any internal screws? No, maybe it's just clipped. Yeah, it's clipped. Oh no, there's a long screw. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, there's a screw here holding it down. That looks like the wrong screw. Ooh, there's the belt. You need all these caps replacing. Even these ones. Have these been partially replaced? Does it even work? How many volts does this need? What's 1.5, 1.5? 3 volts. I'm going to see if I could get it to run off the bench power supply. Just to see if it's even working. So we've got the negative there. No, that'll be the positive there, sorry. Positive. Ooh.
At Ruggers Customs became a member.
Ooh.
At Ruggers Customs celebrates 5 months of membership. Andy touches my heart.
Thank you, Ruggers. Appreciate it. Thank you. How long are you streaming for? This may be a long one. This may be... Reckon? I don't know. Hello, Reese. Sorry, I missed everyone. Maybe you need batteries for the eject to work? Yeah, maybe. Is that the negative there? I don't think that is the negative. Well, there's a negative battery clamp there. There. Should be okay. Thanks, Ruggers. Alright, let's try that. Not 4.2. I'm going to do 3 volts. So I actually don't know what the issue is with this. Here we go. We got 10 milliamps. No, now it's dropping. Alright, oh yeah, we got a display. Yeah, it works. Try 60. Now we've got a flashing display. Cool. Eject work? Don't know. Let's put a tape in it. So I don't understand, why does it need recapping? Chill and relax. It's playing. Why does it need recapping? It's playing lovely. See the little spinny wheel? Obviously I have to set the time and everything. No sound. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's one thing I don't have is earphones. Do you know what I could use? My oscilloscope. Alright, where's stop? What the oh, there. Stop and eject. No, it doesn't
At
work.
Rossierus Repairs became a member.
What?
At Rossierus Repairs celebrates 7 months of membership. Andy touches my heart more.
Thank you, Russ. Thank you, Ruggers and Rush. Oh, Ruggers and Rush. Rossi. It has built-in speaker. Does it? That says flat mic. Whatever that means. Is that really a speaker for it? Oh yeah, and there, look at the back. Oh, so is there a way I could change it to... Auto stop is off. So how do you manually change it then? Probably have to set the time and everything, but I don't know how that works. I literally can't change anything. That's weird, isn't it? I can only change that, but how do you set it? Set, press and hold. Adjust, press and hold. Literally nothing's working. Weird. The caps are missing. Oh, they're actually missing. Okay, do you know the values of the capacitors? Alright, well, I had fun playing with it. It turns on, so as long as it still turns on and plays a tape. DJC, hello. For you got a oscilloscope now. What do you mean for you? Have you? Is that what you're supposed to say? I do, but it's only a cheap one. But it works. Press play. I tried that. Look at chat, buddy. Yeah, you said the caps are missing. Oh, what, that big one there? How am I supposed to know where all these caps are?
At Seacon Solar Repairs became a member. At Seacon Solar Repairs celebrates 7 months of membership. As long as that's all he touches, Russie open mouth smile.
Wait, what did she call you, Ace? What? Thank you, LT. As long as that's all he touches. He wishes I could touch more. Family. Oh, God. Forgot you got a silly scope. My typing is shit, as you know. No, you're cool. That's funny. So, if that looks like it's missing an inductor there, not... Oh no, it is a cap then. I take it it's all the same as that. Caps need replacing. What caps need replacing? All of them? All these big caps? Or about these little ones? we'll probably... Is that a cap? Or is that a diode? These caps? 47 volts, 47 UF? I don't know. I assume the missing cap. Oh, right, so you bought it like this. Let's have a look. Can we get a reading? I don't know if these are capacitors. Tantalum caps. Well, it says it's 52 UF, so maybe. What is this diode? 51 UF. So the only missing caps that I see though is from here, unless there's more on the other side. But why would you take some? No, there won't be any on the other side. There's only one missing cap, which is there. Let's do an inspection. Oh god, you've got potentiometers there, I think. Yeah, look, even these are all saying 47 4 volts, so these are caps. Don't think there's any under here, under these ribbons. Liquid damage? Potentially. Dave's. Hello, Dave's and Falcon. Hi. AC consoles. Is that what she said? And AC consoles. Nah, she didn't say that. She said it weirdly. Yeah, so it might not work without that capacitor then. I don't have those caps. Now what would it be? Would it be a 22 4A? Customer. Ah, it's an old man. That was the most awkward thing, but it is what it is. It is what it is. He didn't seem very impressed, but good luck getting it done somewhere else. Come to collect the music station. I said to him, sorry, it's got that string in there. I don't want to risk not being able to put it back on. It's way too old for me to, I've never worked on it. No sound at all, not even static. Well, I don't know, because I don't have headphones, so I can't test it. I'll have to get some. I swear I had some, or maybe my daughter's got one. No, she's got Apple. Never mind. Yeah, it just looks like there's one capacitor missing though. I don't know if you want them all replaced or what. Walkman's take me back down to... Yeah. Okay, so chill and relax. Is it just that one you want me to do, or do you want me to replace them all? Because it all looks like it's 47, 4 volts around this area. And then go from there, see if we get sound. No, it's not. That's 220, 4 amps. What? What are these then? I'll just have to type it in Google. Whatever is easier, buddy. Whatever is easier. That bloody doesn't help me at all, you little shit. I'm just going to put the screws back where they were, because I don't know which ones go where. Days when news was real. What's that? Walkman's take me back to my paper rounds days. Probably start of my bad back weights of Sunday papers. Did anyone remember the Scoop? If you're in the UK. I used to love getting them. I think it's every Friday you used to get Scoops. And then I had this big long ass screw in this one. Surely this isn't the right screw for it. No, because it don't screw all the way in. Okay, I'm not going to force that. The bin is pretty easy. Yeah. Fuzzy! Is that Walkman? No way. Mixtapes of the girlfriend. It is. It needs capacitor, a replacement capacitor in it. There's no sound. And then we'll have to go from there. That's going to be fun, tracing the sound. Wait. That shouldn't be a long screw. It should be a small screw. Never heard of the Scoop? Loot, maybe? No, you used to get this little paper magazines with all sorts in it. Free, delivered to your door. It's called the Scoop. You used to say all the news and stuff. Not just news. It had people selling stuff in there. Had the obituary at the back. That was fun to read. Wait, why are we put? Because I need to order capacitors for it. Whoops. Because I can't continue when there's a missing component. Because I could be chasing a rabbit hole. See, why is that not even screwing all the way in? Does that not go in there? Oh dear me. There's no other screws. Why is that not going all the way in then? I've not got a smaller screw. I dropped my mini disc player back in the late 90s and the volume dead low. Sharp repair quote is mere than a new one. Man, everyone misses their mini disc players. It's surprising they never actually hit off, man. They were good. Yeah, this is way too long to go in there. Yeah, it's too long. Right, let's get a smaller screw. This one's a smaller screw. I remember the scoop. Oh, you remember it too. Oh, good. So I'm not the only one. No, I don't think I've got a smaller screw. How the hell did...
Best.
Thank you, Russ. Hello, cows. Moo. Surely that's not the right screw. This is where you wouldn't have a screw there where you put your little wrist carrier, whatever it's called. Wrist strap. Oh, I'll have to partially put it in. Just have to leave it hanging out like the other one. Used to love my brother's Rasta Blaster. Had a record player on the front. Never heard of that. Wow, old school device. Bet you never had one of those as a kid. Tom, I did. But not this one exactly. I think I had like a really cheap one. Because I remember my first ever single that I got. And it was my stepdad that bought it. And it was Nickelback, How You Remind Me, on tape. And literally you just had to open it, slide the tape in like a little rack there, close it and hit play. It's simple. But this was all weird. It's got a... You open it yourself, but you got a stop eject button, although it doesn't do anything apart from stop. And to put the tape in, you have to basically wedge it in there itself. Unless it's missing a cage on this side. If there's supposed to be a cage or something there. I don't know. It's more like a dictaphone too, as it records. Oh, how do you do all this though? I'll have to get batteries too. Can't keep using the battery power supply to power it up. That's very cool though. It takes you back to the 80s. Yeah. Oh shit! It has to go that way around. Guardian of the Galaxy. No idea what that even is. You fuck. It's my radio. What I built. I nicked the speaker off it and it's just in pieces on the top and now it's just fell off. I needed the speaker for testing purposes. Oh. That was a waste of money as well, that radio, wasn't it? I ended up stripping it. Oh, almost done it again. There you go. Okay, next. Okay, so I have to order capacitors. So I'll do that later. Or a capacitor. My friend, I think someone who guards the Galaxy. Oh, is it? That's a chunk of Walkman. Mine was Technics. You need the headphones on the orange foam on them. God. Why? Because it blends in with the colour of the earwax being orange. Interesting. Hiya, buddy. Oh, interesting things. Interesting things is here? I don't see her. Where is she? Oh yeah, there she is. Good morning, Andy, and morning, everyone. Good morning. Sorry, I missed your message. You are here. Sorry. My friend's brother worked for Sony. He was the first one in the street to have one. We all took turns listening to Rock the Boat. Don't rock the boat, rock the boat, baby. That one, yeah. Love that song. I got to know if you got the motion. That's a good song. I bought the Yellow Sports one, splash proof. Oh my god. There she is. Cool. Right, actually, I got another one. This one got dropped off yesterday. Again, I don't know what it's from. It's some sort of board. It might be liquid damaged. I'll do an inspection first. So this is a PCB from something. Let's have a look. He says it's, I don't know what he said the symptoms were. There's only a few things on here, so... Got a sticking out leg there. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Why would you have a sticky out leg thing there? What is that? What does that say? D1, so that's a diode. PCB, you little ship. Yeah. PCB from something. Yeah. YMCA is more my dance, is it? I've put extra earwax and Watsits in my Bose headphones for you. D1, let's have a look. Is that diode? What? Something's missing from there then, right? Something... What? That makes no sense. Something's missing. Well, a diode, obviously. How am I supposed to know what bloody diode it was? Alright, well, I'll come back to that. That's probably not helping, is it? It's an LED diode. You reckon it's an LED? What? Oh. Yeah, you're right. Sorry, I didn't see that next LED. I ain't got that far yet. Good shout. So it's missing an LED. Great. Oops. Sorry, I didn't involve in the conversations. Life is not enough time. Life, not enough time. No, don't worry about it. Oh my god, I'm so blind. Like I said, when there's a big picture right in front of you, you don't see it. But obviously, when you're watching a TV and or whatever, you definitely observe more. We got some chip there. Other stuff. More stuff. Any signs of burnt resis? It's resistors. That's what resis mean. Look at D2.
And he's the best.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, Ross. More slight liquid damage. Capacitor. Doesn't seem like there's much solder around out down there, does it? In that hole. What's this? That looks rather dark. That's dry soldered, yeah. That looks like a dark diode, but it could just be dirty. Oh, this is from a lawnmower. That's it. This is a lawnmower. Got the crystal. How I check that, I don't know. Yeah, it looks rather dark. Oh, I've got relays here. You can't see, but these are relays underneath this sticker. No idea what that is. Some sort of heat sink for MOSFET of some sort. Another capacitor. Start going up and down now. Some more liquid. Oh, hello. Lots of liquid damage. This is where the main connector is. Lawnmower, is that one of Honey, I Shrunk the Kids? Is it that one off? I don't know, is it? Oh, lawnmower. Oh, lawnmower, sorry. I don't understand that. Check crystal with oscilloscope. Yeah, but you need power through it, right? I can't put power into this board. It's not a normal 12 volt, 24 volt connector. And that's it. On the other side, we just have a jumper resistor for some reason. How am I going to power through that? I said to him there's a pin missing there, but he said he don't think it's connected. Which, it looks like it goes to nothing anyway, yeah, so no connect. So, I guess the first plan of action Let's just go around testing it all. Must be one of those self-propelled things like that robo vacuum thing had. I reckon. Oh, guys, I'm going to have to fill up my juice and my vape. I'm empty. I don't want to burn the coil out. I'm just going to have to go around checking. One more puff in that. Power ON. Right, let's check this diode. I don't even know what he said. I think he said it starts and then it cuts out. Which doesn't really mean anything. Well, it's fine. It's not short. Go around checking diodes first. Got two little D's down here. Hey. We'll get in. Fine there. Fine there. Any other D's? Yeah, there's a D down there. Oops. Yeah, this D. Read an open line that side. What? Oh, there you go, 0.5. Crystal, I believe I could fly. I mean, I think you could probably just, I don't know how you'd measure crystals. And there's a diode down here. 1.9 volts that way. Bit high in it. 0.5. Okay, that's fine as well. You still can't see it, sorry. Could be from a ride-on mower. The ECU on my mower is the size of a Switch console. Yeah, I've had one before. I think it's very similar to this. And what it was the crystal that had failed. Because I had trouble recognizing what crystal it was. Because it was blown. It was actually clean blown. You could see it had a cut in it and everything. Yeah, get the full lawnmower on the bench. Right? Get him to drop the rest of it off. Ah! Could check the contacts in those relays. If you could get the lids off of them, check those have moisture in the board, so contacts could be sketch. Yeah. I know now not to test relays while in circuit though, because things happen. Let me check the capacitors. So we only have two. And they are here and there. I see girls. Here, there, everywhere. Short skirts, long hair. Level with the walk, yeah. Vape. Oh, yeah. Need a vape. This stupid thing. Come on. Do you know what? Can you hold these? Or will it affect the read-ins? Because it's connected to my fingers. I don't know. Yeah, it's reading my fingers. That's annoying. So they have to be insulated. Somebody said about putting a blob of hot glue in it. Bloody won't even read. No, it won't read in that. 97 UF, so it's probably a bit lower than that in it. This one says 100 UF. Oh, okay, so it did read that fine. So that one's fine. This one I can't even get to read. Oh yeah, there you go. Ooh, 100 UF. One, whatever that is. 1 ohm. That is a little high, isn't it? But is that normal? What's the voltage rating? 25. 100 UF. Ah, yeah, it's fine. 2.1 ohms. Oh no, 1.9. It's close. The worst case is 1.9 ohms. But it's not bad. Not bad. Can that device measure an Andy? I think no, it struggles. It says I'm leaky. Clips on a set of probes. Yeah, that would be easier, wouldn't it? Just do this. And I could just stab it. Whoa. Analyze. Is it because it's plugged into my... Right, let's try it now. No. Yes. No, now the ohms reading's different. The ESR. What the fudge? It's easy to just take out circuit. It's probably fine then. No, now it's not reading it. Maybe if I do it from the top. Yeah, it's actually fine. It must have had a weird hissy fit. Unless it was this one. No, that one's fine as well. Alright, those caps are actually fine. It's fine. Got a better connection so the ESR's lower. I've got to bear that in mind now. I think I'm going to have to try and find some sort of like... something that I could clip on the ends to measure. Because this is kind of a stupid thing. I understand that you're supposed to take them out of circuit and clip onto the legs. But if you just want to probe around in the circuit, it's not really ideal, is it? I know you've got these little mini banana clips, so maybe you could get mini banana clip probes on the ends. I don't know. It's fine until it isn't. Can you get mini banana clip probes? Oh, I don't know. Is that some gizmo for reliably measuring caps in circuit? Does it always work? Yes and no. It doesn't work with SMD caps, no. Oscilloscope probes have spring clips. Yeah, the spring clips. Yes. It will reliably measure ESR in circuit. I wouldn't say reliably. Sometimes it says it's leaky, and then you take it out of circuit and it's fine. Oh, okay. That relay's probably gone. Got some burn mark up there. See, didn't see that with the scope because all the sticker was hidden. Oh, you can't even see. So that will explain it. I think it burnt up a bit there. A bit burnt. I'm going to pull the relay out and test it. No, it's probably best to replace all relays, but I'll give the guy an option. Don't know how much these boards are worth or what even board it is. It's a Zone Fellow 2004. Ooh. Zone Fellow 2004. I don't know if you can read that at the top there. If anyone's interested as well. Zone Fellow 204. It's a ZF020, ZF020 715. Or is that 7i5? 7i5. 7i5. Let's have a look what this is. And it's found nothing. So maybe if I just get rid of the last digits. Even that don't say anything. Nothing on Google. Rip relay. Hi everyone, Baltic Lab. Hi. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. So it's an Osrom, Omron even. It's a 12 volt VDC, 10 amps, 250 volts. So 12 volt to activate the clicky thing. So what's that resistor for though? Why would they add that onto the relay? To bypass the relay? Is that why it blew? They've done it to bypass the relay. What resistance is that resistor? Oh, that's naughty. Yeah, 0 ohm resistor. No, that's factory. Is it? Why on earth would they add a 0 ohm resistor across the relay side? Alright, well, that's crazy. I'll take a picture then anyway, just in case. I need to get this relay off. So there should be diodes near it, so I don't know which direction it goes. But that one there needs to come off. What are the holes? That big one, that little one, that big one, and that's it. And that one, and that. So that, and that. And that, and that. Okay. These 3, and these 2. Shut up, Falcon. So these 3. Shut up, Falcon. And these 2. Oh my god, he's going good, isn't he? That resistor is likely a bodge or wire modification, as the marketing guys call it. Yeah, they're just bypassing the relay, making it permanently on. I don't like it. 10 amps is a high-powered unit. Yeah. Alright, let's get it out. It's already got like leaded on it, I think. I think it's already leaded. That's melting so quick. Pre-leaded, yeah. Look at that, instant. I'm gonna get my solder sucker. Suck it up, buttercup. Whoa, big clump. Bubbling. Is that brown, black, red 1 kilo ohm a botcher? It's not. I think it's 0 ohm. It read it as 0 ohm. It is. Yeah, it is brown, black, red. It's a 1. It says it's a 1 ohm or 0 ohm. Well, I measured it as 0 ohm in circuit, mind you. Right, I've got to see if I can try and get this out. I'm going to have to use some solder wick. Maybe it's across the coil. Ah. Right, okay. I'll measure out a circuit. I hate through-hole components. Most inconvenient things. I understand it, it's for strength. Could be across the normally closed contacts, so it's something to monitor when open. Oh. Thanks, Phil. Right, let's see if that's enough to pull it through. Don't look like it. It looks like it's resoldered again. Could be the resistor being arc quencher for when contacts are open and closed. I've never heard of these before. An arc quencher? So does it get thirsty? Oh god, no, that's still soldered there, look. That one's loose, I think. No, it's partially soldered. This is why I prefer hot air, man. Now, how risky is it to use hot air? It's leaded. It might be okay. 370, 40%. Hold on. I know you can't see it at the minute. Just getting my board holder. Up. I'll do. That's it. Cows. Like a shit trigger type deal. A Schmidt. Stops the back EMF from the contacts, Andy. Stops the back EMF on the contacts. Oh. Prevents the contacts arcing when they're open, close, protect them. Ooh. Normally use a diode for back EMF. What's back EMF? EMF is something frequency. I can't remember what EMF stands for. Hey Google, what does EMF stand for?
According to Wikipedia, in electromagnetism and electronics, electromotive force or electromotance, denoted, is an energy...
Okay, got ya. Yep, thank you. EMF. Anyway, let me get this off. I might use... Nah, let's use full no nozzle. Want it to fall through, if it will. I can't do it under the scope, it's too close. Sorry. There you go. Solder started to turn now. No? There you go. Ah, yeah, that's hot. Get out. Get out. There you go. Bloody hell. Ah, those holes are already cleared. John, hello. You alright, John? Hopefully this is fine. So, let's see the print on it. It doesn't really show you the... So we've got a diode on this in front of this one, so I'm assuming that's the direction of the voltage. It is 12 volt, so I'm going to start off with low. And I guess it's this way around, so that's negative, that's positive. Yes. No. This is negative, that's positive, because it's backwards. Negative there. Positive, I think. I might have to quick look at a pin out. Let me have a quick look at a pin out. And it's an Omron GSLE 14. Omron G5 LE-14. Oh, I need vape juice. Doesn't matter unless a diode's in there. There is a diode though. There's a diode there, look. And it looks like it's attached to it. And as it's on the same circuit, I think maybe. Like every other one's got a diode. Want to be safe than sorry. Pin out, pin out, pin out. DigiKey, Mauser, Rapid. Alright, datasheet. Here we go. Okay. No, that's just sizes. Ah, here we go. Spadif. No, Spadif. This is a bit new to me. So that's the... That would be 3 and 4. That would be the 2 at the top here. Bottom view. It would be like that way then. So that's the main voltage that opens and closes the switch, right? The component directly above K1 looks fired. K1. Yeah, that's where it was blown. Next, I don't know if it's the relay that's blown or that's come off. Yeah, it was all blown at the side of this thing. This has all been burnt up there. See that burn mark? Oh, you can't. See that burn mark there at the side? That's why I thought it may be the relay, but it might not actually be. It might be whatever was next to that, which is now gone. Wait, where is it? There. But it looks kind of unpopulated though. It's burnt up that arm up there somewhere. So that's why I'm checking the relay. Single pole, double throw. So I could just put the polarity any direction. The contacts are specific. Yeah. Well, I don't know what that means. Why do they keep using acronyms, man? Oh, here we go. That's a bit of... Oh, no, that's a different layout. It's this one. Single pole, double throw. Yeah, I know it's single pole, double... Oh, that's what it stands for. For God's sake. Thank you. Right. I'm still going to go with my original thing. So, negative was this side. Positive's this side. Oops. Negative. Negative on the right. Just because that's where the diode is above other ones. Positive on the left. So if I flip it around, it'll be the other way around. Oh, he just said it. What did he just say, little shit? No, I know he just said it. Right, I'm currently set to 3 volts. Let's see if I hear a click. Oops, wrong button. Ready? Do I hear a click? Is my noise cancelling's off, so. No click at 3 volts. Let's do, I know it's a 12 volt. Let's do 7 volts. No, still no click. 10? No, still no click. And no draw. No click and no draw. What? 12. No. No power draw neither, no. Was that the front door? It was the front door. So does that mean it's dead? It's not even drawing anything. I can't open it up neither because it's molded. Unless I try it the opposite direction. What's the coil? Oh yeah, the coil. Coil. What are we reading? The coil is open. Probably blew open. So yeah, it's not reading anything. She's dead, Jim. According to the data sheet, it should be able to take 48 VDCs. Yeah, I'm not even reading the coil rating. Let me measure a coil here a second. Maybe it has just died. These two. Yeah, that one's reading. Yeah, we've got a dead one. Are you on the right? I don't know. I think so. I'm guessing that's the coil because that's where the switch it energizes and the switch. And you're checking the coil contacts. The coil will be 2 and 5 then, will it? I thought this would be the coil. Two and 5 is coil. God damn it, well I'm energizing the wrong thing then. Damn it. Why does it have to be so complicated? Reading 370 ohms. Whether or not that's normal, I don't know. Damn it, well I'm going to have to inject voltage again. This time, it was negative on the right. There you go. Let's try it. Ready? We are drawing something now, but 7's not enough. 12, ready? Yep, it clicked. Yeah, it's clicking. Alright, now let me check. We've got it off right now. We've got 0 ohms, and if I turn it on, still getting 0. It's not. Still getting nothing. It says open. So is it burnt inside and it's not making a contact? So that's the relay off. Clicked on. Reading nothing. What about from here to here? We got 0 ohms there. Turning it off. And we got open line. So what's the purpose of this then? So it is working then. We've got open line there. No, because it's supposed to come out the other leg, isn't it? 0 ohms there. And nothing there. One is common. Relay contacts often burn over time. Might clip with contacts are dirty. You won't get continuity. I need to figure out how this one works. So, say this is turned off. So, power will go in from there. When it's off, there's nothing there. When it's on, it is something there. So that's working fine then, because that's in the off state. But when it switches, it works. So that's actually work. Oh, you can't even see. Yeah. So voltage, I'm guessing voltage will go in there. And then when it's on, it goes to this. But when it's off, it just goes to there. One switches between 3 and 4. Yeah. So that's actually fine then, I think. Because I'm getting readings. So at the minute, can you see that? It's reading 0 ohms. Yeah, it's fine. And it's reading nothing. Turning it on. Now it shouldn't be on there, which it isn't. And we're getting 0 ohms, that one. So the relay is fine. Bugger. Bugger, 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 bugger. So why is there a burn mark though? Bugger, bugger, bugger. Unless there is a missing component on there. Because I don't see any other unpopulated areas. Why would there be a burn mark and a missing resistor there? Did I check those diodes? I can't remember which ones I did check. Yeah, I must have done. The resistor went bang, what, and it flew off. Change scene, thank you. Well, let's identify the missing component resistor. Can you compare the circuitry from a neighbouring relays? Oh, no. No, I cannot, unfortunately. Potential. Hang on, what is it? It goes capacitor, resistor, resistor. So there's one up here, but they're 102s. They're 1002s. So that's different. Do you reckon it's just another, whatever that is, 100k, 10k? I can't be bothered to work it out. 100 plus 2 zeros. 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 ohms. There you go. Do you reckon it could just be another 10k ohm resistor? Looks like the solder on that missing resistor is freshly soldered, unless that got hot and just looked like a bit. Yeah, that's probably more like it. I think this is leaded solder on this board, and it burnt up the relay at the side. It's not that noticeable now, actually. I think I rubbed it off, but it exploded at the side of that leg. So maybe it's just missing the resistor. It's in parallel with R20 by the looks of it. Is R20 still okay? Let's have a look. So am I right it being 10k ohms? Because I can't do maths. I can't do numbers. I'm just lazy. It's annoying. I'm assuming it is. Oh, I'm in continuity. Continuity? Yeah, it's a 10k. Yeah, that's fine. That's 10k as well. I reckon maybe it is another 10k ohm. But that goes to ground though, whereas these are not. It's in series. I think that's going to ground. Andy, sup mate? Just worked out who you look like. Oh, for God's sake, go on. Who do I look like now? Come on. Vin Diesel. Yeah, I wouldn't say I look like Vin Diesel. Maybe it's always unpopulated, God knows. Yeah, I'll have to try and get a board online in a second. Big Bird, eh? Richard O'Brien. Go on, Anthony, who do you think? I've had Vin Diesel. I can't remember the other actor's name now out of Split. No, not Big Bird. That's such an insult. James McAvoy. That's... Oh my God, you think as well? The same guy. James McAvoy. Is that who I just searched up? Jason Statham. That's who I've just searched up, wasn't it? From Split. Timu version. David Strathairn? Who's that? Is it the same guy from Split? Hey Google. Images of James McAvoy.
These pictures should match.
Yeah, it's the same guy. You're not the only one that just said that though. When he's bald, perfect twin. Yeah, somebody else has said that. Well, there you go. Hello, Zern. Oh, guys, I'm gonna have to fill up my vape. I can't. I'm starting to get a bit irritated. Max Branning's son out of EastEnders. Yeah, that's a good one, actually. You have nice viewers. Nobody said Humpty Dumpty. Rebel, what the fudge? I look like Triple H from WWE. I remember when it used to be WWF. It looks good, by the way. Thank you. Yeah, I prefer being bald now. It's more maintenance. You have to keep shaving it every week, but I just let it grow a bit more and then just shave it off. My bald patch is too visible now. So I need to just... Right, let me put noise cancelling on. Oh no, my mic's almost dead. It's in red. It's because I couldn't charge him again. Is this one charged? Yeah, my other mic's charged. Got two mics going now. Triple H is fake and is real. That's it, yeah, I'm a real person. Right, I'm getting distracted by you guys. So do you reckon it is the missing resistor? But would that stop it? Would that cut it out? Do you reckon it's drawing too much voltage or something? Because I think he says it starts, but then it cuts out. There's only one way to find out. It's just putting another 10k resistor in there and be like, hey mate, try it. Andy with the chair. Are you on about Andy from Little Britain? Bold is best. Yeah, 100%. We don't know what this is. No, it's from, I think he said from a lawnmower. And even the flux around it looks rather burnt as well, doesn't it? So that has definitely got hot and burnt the resistor out. And I think I tested these diodes. Whoops. I'm in continuity because I can't know what to do. Diode mode. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, they're fine. Does SMD burn out and that's why they put a higher wattage on the back? Does a SMD burn out and that's why they put higher wattage on the back? You asking me, Phil? Yeah, SMDs burn out. I had it on that speaker up there. Must have been another 10k ohm as they're in parallel. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Now I'm wondering now, if this relay's good, do I just whack another 10k resi on there and clean all this up? This probably doesn't help at all. The resistor you took off, does it go to the same points as on that SMD one? Oh, good shout. Good shout. Yes, it did. Yes, it did, Phil. I took a picture, hold on. Yep, it goes through the big round one. Wait, flip it around. It went from, it went that way. This little one in the middle up to that pin there, which I'll flip it around. It goes backwards. Oh, maybe not then, no. No, it doesn't. It goes from here to up there to another relay. So it doesn't actually go to the resistor. It doesn't go to this hole, no. It goes to that one from here to there. If I flip it around just to make sure, yes. No, it doesn't, Phil, so it's still not on the six. Well, yeah, it does. It goes from this line. Oh, so that's a 10k resistor. I haven't actually measured this. I only measured it in 0 ohms. Oh, I see what's going on. Hold on. Hold on. Is this 10k? If this is 10k, then yeah, they've added this instead of an SMD. Now, why would they do that? Yeah. No, this is a 1k. A 1k resistor. Yeah, it's 1k, yeah. So why have they done that? Right, wonky. Hold on, let me just change this. Greetings, Andy, Uncle Festa. For God's sake, now I'm Uncle Festa. All right, thank you. Yes, so the orientation of this, well, look, so you guys could help as well because it's a bit confusing, was like that. Okay? Try picture that. And if I flip it round, remember this is on the right side, so now it's going to be on the left side. So from there to there, which is attached to here. Now, would they have a resistor there and a 1k resistor across there? Although Andy's more handsome than Uncle Festa. Aww. Andy, can I send you another radio, please? Tried fixing it, but made it worse, not to row resistors. Yes, you can. And then what I'll do is I'll send you the screen back as well. So I'm not sure. Why would you have a 1k resistor instead of maybe another 10k? Unless that previously blew up and they thought, oh, I can't do SMD repairs. Let's just add what they thought maybe is a 10k resistor and swapped it out for a 1k by mistake because they're like me and can't do maths. Thank you. They placed the burnt one with the one underneath. That's what I'm thinking. But they've put the 1k instead of a 10k. The SMD one probably blew, so a fix was put a higher wattage one in there. The original could have been 1k. That would have been a value of 909 ohms. Very weird. Yeah, that explains why the 1k SMD died before the R20, because it's a lower ohm. Andy's absolutely isn't cousin it. I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm absolutely not cousin it. With that jawline, Andy, you've got to be Buzz Lightyear. I think you should start every stream with to infinity and beyond. Thank you. So is the 1k normal, but they've put a higher rated resistor in it, and that's why. You don't know the value of the burnt one. No, I don't. The original one, I don't. Let me see if I can reverse image search this board. It might somehow pop up on Google. Somebody else has got it. I don't think that's the fault. No, probably not. It's probably the liquid damage that's everywhere. Even in the connector, man, look. It probably just needs good bath in my ultrasonic. It could be bad contacts. Without schematics, you don't know what they want in there. Check other relays for similar switching circuit. Yeah, there isn't though. All I could probably offer him, I could go around checking all the resistors to making sure none are actually blown. That's the door. Deoxit? No, I'll put it in my ultrasonic cleaner. That's all I could probably offer him. But look, mate, I've tested the things. There was a burnt mark there. I see that you've, or somebody has replaced the SMD for a through hole. So what I could do is throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner and charge you so and so. And if it don't work, bring it back. Can we not get a photo of this board? Yeah, that's what I was doing. Sorry, I kind of... Let me put that in there so it makes it look real. Make it look factory a sec. There you go. Maybe, come on, Google. Reverse image search. Come on. This is from an automated golf trolley. Zone follow is the manufacturer. Right, Alex. Sure it is. I'm joking. Is it? I thought you said it's from a lawnmower. It's not going to show up with anything. Oh, bloody hell. Got it. Yes. Let's go. Now, hopefully it's high quality images. How much are they on eBay? I don't know. I don't know what the price is yet. It's from a tractor. I don't know what the hell it's from. My internet's so terrible in here. Oh, what? Or maybe it is from a tractor. I thought it said a lawnmower. 250 quid. But this is Westwood Countax. It's not the same brand. But it's exactly the same. Found an image but has a sticker over the bit. Yeah, I see it there as well. Yeah, that might be the same. Why is it so bloody dark? Damn it. I could message the seller, but hey, can you please take a closer image underneath the sticker? This is a PCB from a Bluetooth OBD2 diagnostics. But why is everyone coming out with random things? No, it has a serial input. Ride-on lawnmowers are also called tractors. Really? Oh, okay. It's from a tractor lawnmower, golf caddy chainsaw, angle grinder. Now it's an OBD Bluetooth diagnostic adapter scanner. Damn it. Well, he hasn't got the resistor underneath it, so it's definitely been altered. £250 brand new. It's off a fax machine, for God's sake. ELM327. Oh yeah, I remember used to ordering them for my car. It's not all projected or shit. Is that literally the only one that's going to come up as? There's only one image. Do you reckon I should message the seller asking for closer pictures underneath that sticker? You never know, it might come back to me. From a Nintendo Switch 3, looks like a diagnostic device. That jack? Yeah, it could be. Nah, it's from a bouncy castle, mate. What? What, with LEDs on the front? Come on. Oh, it could be the strobe party lights of it. What a weird combination. They have like something white, yellow, white, white, yellow, white, white. Well, these are different colours. This is yellow, red, yellow. I mean, white, red, white, white, red, white, white, red. I might just message him. Worst case, they'll have to buy it from them. Yeah. I'll carry on looking around the board and I'll do an ultrasonic clean. I might put my cleaner on in a minute. Because it will take ages to warm up in here. I'll message him. But hello, any chance you could take a picture underneath what's underneath the sticker? Saves me buying it from you. What did he say what the fault was? I honestly can't remember. I think he said it starts up and then it just shuts down. $208. Thanks, Vids Family Newman. The thing is, if you send it via YouTube Vids Family, it won't show up. Nobody will see what you posted. Even I can't see the link. They'll just say don't want to remove the sticker. Oh. Yeah, I doubt they will. Right. Right, that's temporarily in. I've got to go fill up my vape juice. 2 seconds. It's not a sausage, bloody. Oh, I made something for you. Go on. What is it in Discord? What did O'Hill say? Stop talking. Hold on. Who did good idea O'Hill? Who's O'Hill? Oh, it's gone. We'll order that one and return it. We'll have to order that one and return it. Yeah, do the old swap. I'm not doing that. Pounds S208. Yeah, I know Arion. I know, I'm just joking. Damn it. Hello, Ruggers. Ozzy, Phil, Tell. Oh, Phil. What did Phil say? Let's have a look. Ask for a picture of the bottom of the board. See if there's a resistor there. No, there isn't. He has got a picture up already of it. And there's no resistor there, so it has been altered. This one. No resistor. I thought I already said that. You obviously wasn't listening. Tell the customer to buy it and then make a note of the component and send it back. Yeah, let me just go fill up my vape a second. I'll be back. Oh, I'll leave you on. I'll leave you unmuted. My feet are cold. I got to know if you got the motion. And I got to know if you got the motion. To rock the boat, baby. Oh, who's this? Who's got really bad stomach pain? Left my juice upstairs. Filling it up right now. Oh, my watch is vibrating at me, saying that I've lost signal to my phone. Oh no! Alright, I'm coming back. I'm on my way.
I've got a really small one.
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah.
You're off the phone now?
Yeah. So I phoned to the doctors. Okay, don't feel well.
Oh,
Don't
bless.
look at my spot.
Yeah, what are you doing that for? What have you done that for? Oh, the slush machine's now stained. Oh well, it's going to happen eventually. getting cold. It looks like there's a possible corroded trace at the pins of the... Yeah, that's probably what it could be. Because it is liquid damaged at the end of the day on that front, as what's his face would say. Chill and relax, bless him, on that front. I don't know if my chat's frozen or you guys didn't talk while I was gone. Don't care. So let me carry on just checking the resistors. And I guess put it in the ultrasonic and just go from there. Oh, don't say it's a door. Oh, it bloody is. Hold on. Who's this? What? Meow.
Quick bit in the middle.
Cool.
He's getting hot.
Is he? He is, isn't he? Takes after me. We've got this stupid black cat that keeps trying to get into our... Well, it does get into our house all the time. So, I got a letter. Oh! I know who the letter's from. Damn it. It's from Reese. Reese, I received your letter. Oh, it's handwritten. That is not your handwriting. That is not your handwriting, surely. And I've got RS components. Hopefully get that other speaker working. Need that out of the way. No, we just talk. Reese, check the trace under the pins at the big connector. Look back at the vid and it looks like it's sketchy as fudge. Nah, to be fair, they look okay. Nah, the missus wrote it out. I was going to say, that's way too neat for your handwriting. Oh, there's a little love letter in it. To Andy, thank you for the awesome content. Love, Reese. Oh, joking. Look at that. Thank you so much, Reese. Appreciate it. Wait. What was this diode for? I can't even remember now. Oh yeah, it's for that. Oh yeah, it was for the... Oh, wicked. Yes. Right, that's my plan of action for this. Yeah, it's for the Bluetooth headset thingy. Motorbike thing. Yes. There you go. Andy wearing skinny jeans. Yeah, I love skinny jeans. I've got a black pair. I've got a two blue pairs. I've got tracky bottoms. I've got all sorts. Sausage skins. Search for this on Google. Search for what? I mean... Got part number. I don't see your part number though. You haven't posted the part number. You need to post the part number, if that's okay. Where's the part number then? I don't see the part number. There you go, thank you. Old part number. Right, yeah, thanks, God. How come I can't see that then? Unless you posted it really high up. Let's have a look. No, you didn't. Oh, Andy has an earworm. What are you guys talking about? Stop, Andy needs his daily... Oh, I've been off for a while. Hold on. I could only read a certain amount at a time. Tell customers to buy it and make note of the components and send it back. Read that. Andy needs his daily vape fix. I thought it was Notion. Yay, I got inside his head. And he has an earworm. What's that? Well done, Hot Cows. Reese, it is Notion. What's Notion? Ah, there it is. Thanks, family. Family. Anyone for an earworm sarnie? What are you on about? Where's this earworm? Andy checked the traces under the pins of the big. Yeah, on that pin, the ninth one from the left, is the trace is coming off. Ninth pin from the left. What, going in? I don't see any bad traces. If you're on about in here. Here, read this at 1 p.m. 10 minutes to go, we're singing Rock the Boat. Yeah, I was, yeah. What's that got to do with earwig? I mean, I don't know what you said now. Reflow those connectors, Andy, they look right. I'm going to do an ultrasonic clean first and then re-inspect it. There's no point me doing anything now until I can see more of the damage once it's clean. Yeah, let me look for that part number anyway. I don't know what benefits is going to do. It's a PDF. Great, how can I copy the text? There we go, part number. PCB board PDF. Control copy. Paste. Oh, it is a tracker. Oh. Oh, nice, thank you. Yeah, it is a ride-along grass cutter mower. Nice. It's not going to show you the little PCB though, is it? No. But that's cool though, thank you. It doesn't show anything about the PCB side. Not that I can see anyway. Is that the PCB there? No, it's the engine mount. You won't find the PCB in the deck of grass bag. Okay, I get it. No, it's not showing the PCB side. The PCB is still available from Garden Tractor Spares, £207.95. That's not bad. Yeah, ride along normal. Looks like an old one. 2004. Yes, it is an old one. Yeah, let me just solder it back together. Those resistors are fine where that mark was. They did replace it with a rear resistor, so I'm going to put that back on quick. It's probably just liquid damaged. The corrosion and stuff, or whatever it is. Even in there is probably just dodgy connection. So I'll just charge him for that. Right, let's put this back on. Rate my scope 1 to 10. How clear is the picture quality? I'd like to know, because I still haven't seen anyone who's got a good scope like me. I'm just boasting. I said 1 to 10, not is it good. Rate my scope. 1 to 10. 11, 10. Oh, it's actually quite a good 10. Shut up, Simon. Not that bad. All right, I'm glad. Yeah, I like my scope. I'm really happy with the setup. A 9, I'm happy with that. Anywhere above an 8, I'll be happy. Right, anyway. Let me get this flowing. I love my scope. When it plays nice. Thank you, Baltic. Is rate my scope like guys guess my fart? No, it's like pimp my ride sort of thing. I don't know actually. I love watching that. Look at that, it's beautiful. How shiny it is. Better than Soren's TV scope review though. 4K, what, the 4K one? Yeah. Oh, it did break in half, did it? Oh, I've got to go to my mum's laptop, broken in half, she said. Oh, God. Do you reckon it's the hinges? I reckon it's the hinges are snapped. Damn, that rosin's pretty aggressive stuff. Toltec is like a solid 10. Yeah, his scope's good. You do have good lighting on it. Thank you. Yeah, hinges. How do you repair them? Hot glue. Oh, I've only ever done one lot of hinge repair, and I used what do you call it? That glue. What's it called? That really strong glue. I forgot already. I don't know why I'm forgetting. Epoxy. And loosen up the hinge a little bit. Yeah, epoxy, that's it. Don't know why I'm cleaning it off. I'm just going to put it in the ultrasonic anyway. All right, let me plug in my ultrasonic cleaner. Gorilla Glue, JB Weld. Yeah. All that good stuff. Oh, yeah, I got rid of my TV yesterday. Ha ha ha. Sheila Relaxes now got it. Right, I could push this back. Oh my God, it's so heavy. It's full of water though. That's why. Which I haven't even changed yet, which I think I need to. I've emptied it and then put it back in again. Oh man, it needs a bloody cable plugged in. This one? Nope. What's this one for? That's for that. I'll get rid of that then. Plug this in. If it'll reach. The fuck? Christ, I can't remember last time I used this. I can't get it in. What the fudge? Like that? Why can't I get it in the hole? Oh, there we go. It's upside down. Right, we're on. Alright, let's set the temperature to 60. Oh shit, wrong button. No, that's the minutes. Oh my god, I can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, so hit go. Ugh, there's no room. Temp. Why is it saying 40 odd minutes? What's the... Oh, I see. 60. Go. It's on 13 degrees at the minute. Timer will be for 20 minutes. I think that's good enough. That's not 20 minutes. That's 2 minutes. 20 minutes. Or was that 2 hours? I'm upside down. This is so confusing. I think that's 2 minutes. Wow, it's only on 13 degrees. Anyway. Did it. Juiced, hello. Just setting up the TV you gave me, buddy. It's all working. Woohoo! Good. Nice. Bigger screen then, chin and relax. Yeah, it's not a smart TV. It's just a normal 1080p HD, full HD bollocks. Yep, so that's what I'm going to do with this then. Just put it in the ultrasonic. Cool. All right. Never late. He always comes juiced in time. Yeah, he does. Okay, let's go back to this Bluetooth speaker now then. So I can get this out of my way. It's only a little thing. Now I've got the diode, thanks to Reese. There's a video showing how you can convert a non-smart TV into a smart TV on here on YouTube. What, by plugging in like a Chromecast or something? Need to fix LED. Yeah, I'll do that after, Ozzy. I don't need to fix it. It's just an LED. The descriptions, it's a bike headset type thing. It's Bluetooth headset type, hands-free communication device type thing. Oh, copyright. Hello. Oh, finally. All right, congratulations. Yeah. All right. I love you forever and always. Bye. Connect your mobile phone to the USB port of your TV. Download an app. Then your TV is now smart. How the hell does that work? What, you have to have your phone plugged in all the time though? Yes, I think you fixed one before. What, one of these? This is the one. I've just got to replace the missing component because people don't like leaving components out. Oh, you do have to leave your phone in all the time. That's annoying. I'm using the wrong driver. But yeah, good observation though, interesting things. I would have personally just left it out. And if it fails again, then obviously it's not going to be that that's going to fail. It's going to be something else, which is fine. You just replace that something else. What? What? I got a bug. I just saw it run across my screen. There it is. Where'd it go? Oh, he's gone. No, there he is. Quick. There he is. Oh, he's gone again. Oh, there he is. Hey. Oh. Yeah, where is he? Maybe if I have it like that. Oh, I don't know. He's gone. I think it's a fly. It's a fly. And you get every streaming channel there with no subscription. And you get every streaming channel there with no subscription. Really? What app is this? Sent you a pic on Discord, the orientation of this diode. Thank you. I think it's marked anyway. And plus it goes to ground, so I know which orientation it goes. Obviously ground would be on the... not the cathode side, it will be the anode side. I can't remember whereabouts it was now. It was here, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, the anode would be this side, cathode's this side. And I think it was it WA, wasn't it? I can't read it at the bottom here. Is it WA? Yeah, WA. Perfect. Thank you, Reese. Oh, do you know what? I was going to use hot air, but I forgot I can't. And what's in the RS components? Oh yeah, the speaker. I think that's the one with the no sound. Or is it? Oh, is it? The line also... Oh, right, okay. Thank you. I didn't know that. Wow, how much solder is it bloody sucking up? Suck it up, buttercup. There you go. So where is Swindon in the UK? Is that near Birmingham? It's a bit further down than Birmingham. Birmingham's like 3 hours away, so you have to go more down south. It's on the left side slightly of London. So if you see London, you'll have to just look more left. No, it's down south, yeah. Damn it. Damn it. These flux. You could use a Fire Stick? Yeah, exactly. You could use a Fire Stick. Or an Android box. I prefer Android boxes. I have an Android box. And I've got a smart TV. I only use Nvidia Shield. Yeah, but they're expensive though. I'm all purpose built, yeah. I don't know why I thought William was in the northeast near Sunderland, but I was wrong. I don't know who William is. You know about Prince William? They kind of are, but they're so good. Fixed. Let's make a fun for Andy to buy. I know I've got a smart TV, but I like using my Android box. I only use that for obvious reasons, and then the smart TV I use for my YouTube. But I could install an ad-blocked version of YouTube, aka Revanced, on my smart TV, so then I could no longer have ads on my TV. Oh, that's an idea, because I've got a patched version of YouTube now. Right. I'm going to leave the original, the new battery in, because he said okay to the old battery. He said, but as long as it works. So I don't want to risk it. I'm going to leave the old battery. Wait, where is it? Where is his old battery? How could I have lost his old battery? What? Oh, I give up. How could I lose a battery like that? Oh no! Oh, I give up. Whatever. It's an old battery anyway. Exactly. Cry. What a fluff you're lying. Always bloody lying. Oh my God. Stop fucking lying. It's in your bin. Is it? No. Oh, is it in my bin? No. No, I want to put that in there. Maybe it's in my other bin. Don't know. Is the ultrasonic cleaner too noisy for you guys? Or is it okay? Or I could turn this off. Is that too noisy? Bet it's annoying for you guys though. I hear nothing. It's fine. Alright, let me turn it back on. Noise cancelling. Thank you. What frequency does the cleaner use? It's a Creeworks one, so whatever that is. $15 one. Or is it only a 10-litre? Is it only a 10? I swear it was a 15-litre I bought. Yeah. I bought a 15-litre. Good luck, Reese. Yeah, good luck. See you later, mate. Thank you so much for the diode. Yeah, this is my one. What frequency is it? 40 kilohertz. There you go. 40 kilohertz. Is that good? Is it a 15 or a 10? I don't know. I've got to check now. I swear it was always a 50. Oh, I tell you what, I look at my purchase history. That'll tell me exactly which one it is. Oh, damn it. Maybe I ordered it from Goo. No, I didn't order it from Amazon. I can't remember where I ordered it from. Maybe it says on the back the capacity. Oh, God, I can't read that. Oh, I don't know. It's either a 10 or a 15 litre. I thought it was 15. Okay, that's good. Good. On the bottom? No, it's at the back, but it's pushed against my shed, so I can't get to it. I don't want to pull it out. So I've got a speaker in the way. As soon as those speakers have gone, I could then be able to maneuver a bit more. But I've got another speaker in the house, which will require my dim bulb tester because it keeps blowing fuses. So that's interesting. Interesting things. Fantastic thing you have to clean boards and motherboards. Yes. Right, so this should be charging perfectly now. Power on. Power off. And see if it charges still. Yeah, charging. Anything really even glasses? Really? Yeah, probably. I have noticed though, I've put plastic in there before, and no, not plastic. I think it was a ring, and it misshaped the ring. The ring was a complete different. It kind of, yeah, moved it around. The metal was so soft, I guess. Fixed, I guess. Cool. I should really fully charge that. Yeah, I'll leave that fully charging. Just so I know that it is actually fully charging. Next is the speaker. Again, I'm getting sick of these speakers. Really, that is strange, yeah. I'll leave that there. Right, let's have a look what's in here. Big package. Oh. Really? They actually send you it on the reel. Well, that's annoying. I didn't want a reel. This is giving me projector vibes, like old-fashioned projectors. Why would they do that? Oh, I didn't. I had to order 200 minimum. Right, now what was this for? Oh yeah, that was for that speaker there. Let me just get one. How do I get these off? I don't want this reel on there. A few thousand spares there, Andy. Yeah. I don't even know if they actually... This is more than 200. I don't... They just gave me the rest of the reel. I swear they have. Wait. That's blank. Right, why is Discord going mental? Oh, nothing. Okay, cool. Oh, for God's sake, Ruggers! Back to work, you little shit. They actually counted 2,000 on that. I mean 200. There's more than 200 there. Time to order a pick and place machine to go with it. I don't want to. Right, okay, so this is all blank anyway. And then it starts here. Need many. Let's get one out. Bloody tiny. I think I need 3. So I think I damaged one trying to test the... These are Zener diodes, right? I think these were... Yeah, I think I damaged one trying to test the voltage rating of them. I think these are 18 volts.
I've got a really small
Have you,
one.
James? Big anti-static bag. Cool, extra bag for me. No, they go by weight. Oh, okay. Look about average to me. Look at these awesome scissors by J-Fix. Very sharp. Well, it's not by J-Fix. He didn't make them. I have a pouch for it in here somewhere as well, which I've lost. No, there it is, right at the back of the drawer. Amazing. Hello. Right, we're on 20 degrees, so it's only gone up. Wait, was it on 13? Oh, that's not bad. This thing, where we've got this speaker working, but there's no audio signal because of those diodes. Scissor condom. Exactly, Royce. And hello, Royce. Hello, Claw Slug. Morning. Hello. Oh, for God's sake. All right, I get it, EDM. For God's sake. It's a... Remember, I've already changed the resistors in these. Damn, that is cold. 2 degrees C. Fishing Frustrations. Did I already say hi to you, Fishing Frustrations? Sorry if I didn't. It's hard to remember who pops in. -8. Jesus. We're lucky in the UK. It's actually warm for a change. And it's not raining at the minute. Yeah, it was 3 that I've ruined now. It's -8 Fahrenheit. See, I don't get -8. See, minus should be freezing temperatures. So that's not even freezing temperatures. 8.4 Celsius. What's this, competition? Well, ours is the warmest. Hey, Google. What's the weather today? Whoops. Why did this standoff come off?
In Swindon, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 10 and a low of 7. Right now, it's 10 and cloudy.
There you go. 10 degrees in here in England, Swindon. Woo! No, Swindon. Swindon's playing tonight if everyone wants to be, if anyone's interested. Oh, yeah. ONH. I looked up the data sheet myself. And I found that the markings for ON is this. Still the same. Why is it saying that? It's the same. I'm pretty sure it is. Pretty sure it is. I looked at the data sheet. PLD. Still 18 volts something milliamp. Right. What I'm going to do is remove one side. Hello, I see you've got some broken off Zener diodes. Well, the thing is, they I can't even speak. They weren't broken off. They were actually short. And yeah, because reasons. No sound signals going from the input to the actual preamp board. And then as soon as we removed the Zener diodes, it then carried on. Yo, peeps. Yo, fight Psychic. Kicks. Sorry. Hello, Psychics. Hello, I've seen you. Yes, PLD. Yes. No, just diodes. Sorry, Z's for Z's for diodes. I see them marked on the board. There are Z23s. Yeah, these are Zener diodes, yeah. Yeah, 3 and 4. I'm not sure what you're saying, Paul. Sorry, mate. Sorry. You just confused me. Now, do you say Zener or Zener? Oh, I can't get my fingers in there. Okay, that's good enough. Zener. You say Zener as well. Good. Did you order MO or OW? I don't know which one. Whatever was 18 volts. 18 volts. This one. This is what I ordered. It's... I don't know which way around that is. I would say it's OW. Looks like their protection. Yes, it is PLD. Yeah, yeah, it is. I could read you what the part number is if you really want to know. It's a MM3Z for Zena. 18 volts, 1 T1G. MM3Z18VT1G. 200 of them. 200. But it was only like, I think it was £10 for including postage. Such a tight area. Why does it seem like you have less hair on your head today? Yeah, no, I shaved it yesterday, day before yesterday. It's not the first time I've done it. But now I look like Vin Diesel. I look like Urch. No, what's his name? Not Urch. What was his name? I look like someone from a film. I can't remember his name. Uncle Fester, that's it. Not Lurch, Urch. Fester, Uncle Fester, yeah. British Bruce Willis. Oh. Is that the right way? Wait, why is this one not marked? Oh, it's upside down. Okay, never mind. Good morning, Juiced. What do you call Spartacus with a bad case of gas? Farticus. No, that's not that good. Sorry. Minus 8 degrees Celsius is 17.6 Fahrenheit. That's not the prettiest, but it's the angle I can't get. I just cannot get that angle. Am I running out of flux? Yeah. If you turn upside down, the electrons will fall out. Oh no. What have you got hooked up to my USB-C? What, my PLD ammeter with the fancy dope or nope colours? It's my mobile phone. Oh, how am I going to get in there? Like that. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's on the same line anyway, wasn't it? Yeah, it is. So that's fine. Looks sexier like that. That'll do. It's all about the same draw. It's about the same drawers as mine. What, your phone? Why, is it too big? Oh, interesting. That's how it's doing 10 volts. Yeah, I know. It's really weird. I don't know what they usually draw at, mobile phones. It is a weird draw, 9.5. I'm used to 15. But what, for a phone? God, that's hot in here. That's hot. I mean, that's high. 15 volts for a phone. Nah. You must be tripping. Yes, iPhones do 15 volts, 2 to 3 amps. Oh. You get that at you get 15 volt. Actually, it's nearly 3 amps at 9 volts. Mine's anywhere between 8.9 to 9 volts when charging. What phone do you have, Cows? I've got nothing. And this is the only charger that fast charges mine around 1 amp. That's slow. When my phone's almost dead, it pulls nearly 3 amps. Galaxy Note 2. Only 1 amp. That's not fast charging then, really, is it? Oh, it's gone up 2 amps. I was going to say 1 amp is a bit low, unless it's nearly charged. It's freaking hot. Oh, I lost a pole. God damn it. You'd rather be hot than cold? Yeah, at the minute, yeah. I suppose I better I'll test it later. I can't bother to hook it all up right now. It'll work. Better cold than hot? Yeah, I agree with interesting things. I think I said it before. It's easier to warm up than it is for when you're really hot on a hot day to cool down. 20 degrees is freezing for you, is it? Christ. Always nice for Russ, is it? Never has any cold weather, bad rainy days or anything. Oh, finally, this is fixed. Yeah, to what you said, Andy. Yeah, exactly. Especially at night time, man, when the weather's hot and you struggle sleeping, it is so hard to cool down. But again, when you're at night time and you're freezing, what do? Close the windows and put the heating on. Problem solved. Or, has anyone tried a heated blanket? Oh, they're so good. Obscenely hot here, humid actually, just heavy, hot, oppressive, drains you very quickly and quite difficult to cool down. Man, that sucks for you. I feel the cold a lot, Andy, always have, really. Very rarely has crap days, that's mental, so lucky. Sort of. Actually, no, I'd like to have some miserable days. Cool. Now, I better plug it in and well, screw it back together, plug it back in. This one kicks. Huge sub. Oh, what? I put the lid on the power supply. Now I can't get the connector in. Yes, I can. Please say I can. There you go. Got it. And then this little one went in there. There you go. Wicked. And then which way around does this go? Is it that way? Where's the speaker? Face down. That's going to annoy me now. I don't know which way around this went. Ugh. Oh, well, that's the bottom, so it needs to be spun around. Like that. The other speaker that I've got now is an alto as well. I suffer from asthma too. Interesting thing, so I know how it feels when I get a bad attack. No heat gives me asthma. Shit. Excuse me. Why are these screws not lining up? Oh, I bet I've got it upside down. Yeah, I've got the thing upside down. Oh no, it was the right way. Only when it's too hot. Oh. Yeah, it is upside down. You donkey. So it is that way around. Yeah, now they're all lined up. So I will be with you guys in a second. Next is... Oh, I guess the other speaker. I didn't even know when the parts are coming for this one. The other one. It's the one I want out of the way, the one with no audio. Actually, they both had no audio. Alright, that's done. Yay! Finally. That's one finished speaker. Yes. Let's wait for the ultrasonic. Suppose I better go get the other speaker out, ain't I? This has got no power. Let's see what's blown on that one. I just want to see where the other parts are for... Oh yeah, it's through Royal Mail. Oh, the Royal Mail's already been. Why is it so slow? Fifth of Feb I bought that. Why is that so slow? Royal Mail, second class, large letter. Alright, let me go get the other speaker. I'm just going to mute you as a sec because I don't know if the miss is in the house. Actually, what's the time? That's a big speaker. It's heavy. Yeah, no worries, Arion. Oh, this is... I can't put it on my desk. Don't know if you can see it neither. Yeah, it's that. It's even got like a little mini display on the back. So, and the customer's details. I'm going to have to take the board out quick. Ugh. And then once I've taken it out, I can then put it on the bench. Yay, another speaker. Woo! This looks brand new. It's still got this film on it. What's this? Lewis contacted me for the first time and still waiting for a reply. Is he? What did he say then? Did I not reply to him? Oh yeah. Oh shit, that was 3 hours ago. Hi, do you do Xbox Series S HDMI port repairs? Actually, I better quickly reply to all the customers. I've had a couple of emails yesterday. PS5 controller. How much you charge for USB-C port replacement? See, that's an iffy one. That's going to be torn pads, and I know it. It's not worth it. Cool, yeah, Alfie, thank you. This one's Sonos One speaker. No lights response from speaker. I've already repaired the Sonos One. Cool, that's that responded. And this is for a... Why is it all audio stuff? Again, Sony HT AS5 5.1 home theater system that has power issue. When I switch it on, the power LED lights up, and then either after a few seconds, the LED starts flashing and the system shuts down. That sounds just like an error code, like in protection mode. Yeah, no worries. I think I already said that. I'll reply to him later about that. So this one's an SRM 212. Looks very fancy. SRM 212. And it looks brand spanking new. Holy crap. Custom high performance LF driver, low frequency, and a very nice tweeter. That's a very big tweeter. Alright, let's disconnect that and that. That's the tweeter and the speaker, and we're out. So this one apparently goes bang. Blows the fuses. So that will be a power supply issue. My guess is bridge rectifier. But let me change title, change zoomies, and get my dim bulb tester out and have a look. Confirm the fault. SRM 212. Cool. Is that out enough for you guys? I think my face cam's a bit big now. Do you think? Do you think I should like make it smaller again? Because I made it big when Chill and Relax was down here, but I I think I could probably make it smaller again because it's in the way, look. What do you guys reckon? I'm not sure on that front. Anyway, what am I doing? Plugging in. Oh, shit. So I got an issue. I need 2 kettle cables, and I'm using one now for the ultrasonic. All right. Forget not testing it then. That's bad. There's already a nut half loose, look, and it's brand new. Nah, dude, it's just because the light is reflecting off your head. It's fine. All right, hello, dreams. I just heard I made a big... I just heard I made it big when Chin and Relax got here. Yeah. All right, I'm going to have to take these nuts off. Need to get under the power supply. I can't use my dim bulb tester, so I'm just going to have to inspect the board first and see what we find. This one? No, too small. That's probably why they use nylon locking nuts, for that reason. But yet, it still came vibrate. The vibration still made it come off. In theory, they should all be Loctited down. Because there's quite a few that are loose. It's been worked on? I bloody hope not. Because these are actually quite loose. Better not have. Yeah, look, they're all loose. Even these ones up here. I don't know. Doesn't look like it's been worked on. However, he did keep saying that he kept changing the fuses, but I don't know if he means in the plugs. Alright, we've got some sort of IDE connector there. I could take that off. Oh, that gets pulled out. Oh, okay. Ooh, I like that one. Copyright. Copyright. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. Hi. Yeah, do you know what model it is or brand? Oh, God. An Alto. Yeah, I'm currently working on one right now. Yeah, what's the issue with it? Yeah. Oh, really? Damn. Yeah, what I'll do is if you drop it down and what I do is I'll inspect the issue and then I get back to you with a quote for the repair because I don't know obviously how much it'll be without knowing what the issue is first. Really? Oh, nice. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Well, I don't exactly know what model number it is. So if you text me the model number after this phone call, because then I'll be able to. Okay, hold on. Let me just type it up on my. Let me search for it on my phone because I need to know the cost of the actual device because it'll be around probably about if it's no power. Is it no power at all? No, you said electrical fault. It makes an electrical fault. Yeah, right. Okay, hang on. Let me just put you on loudspeaker so I can type it in.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. What's the model number?
The model number is TS
Yep,
412.
412.
Yeah. It's Alto.
Alto 400. Oh, sugar. Sorry, Tuesday. Yeah, I've got no mobile data while I'm on the phone. Yeah, my mobile data won't work while I'm on the phone. It's not loading anything.
No problem. So you want me to send you WhatsApp and then the photo?
Yep, that'll be amazing. Yes, please. And then I'll give you a rough quote on how much it will be around.
Okay.
All right, thank you. No worries. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Another bloody speaker, another Alto. This is what I'm currently working on now. What is up with them? DS412? I don't know what she said. DS4000. Oh, 412. Well, it still wouldn't load anyway. Now it will load. Yeah. That's not it. That's a NAS. Alto. Oh, yeah. That's the same fucking speaker. TS. Not DS. You said TS. She was Indian. Oh, for God's sake. What is up with these speakers? Yeah, it's TS412. Thank you. £312 on Amazon. All right, so that's about an £80 to £90 repair. These are failing big time. I haven't got no room to keep having bloody studio speakers in here. People like them. They do. I've got 3 speakers in here and I'm going to have another one in the house. Common fault. Apparently this one makes electrical sound. So it sounds like it's arcing and she's getting a little shocks from it. Is it a bad earth inside maybe? Maybe the earth wire's a bit iffy. Touching something. I don't know. No, it can't be bad earth because it's... I honestly don't know. So I'm going to have to shock myself to try it. Anyway, let's get this out. Now, this is going to be an issue because it's all glued to that. I need to snip that away. Oh, it has been worked on before. This has been worked on before because this glue's already snapped. Already come away. Again, unless it's vibration. Phil, that's not nice. This has probably been into before, yeah. I didn't break that glue. If the unit operates on 240 VAC, then the short to the earth should have tripped the main breaker. Oh, right. To avoid electric shocks. Yeah, it's another big one. About 300 quid. Uncle Fester fixed my speaker. Remember to ring the doorbell. Oh, God. Well, am I missing a screw? I think I am. Nope, it just needs prying off because it looks like there's some sort of heat pads under it. Oh, God. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this has been worked. There's signs of, like, it being cleaned. I don't know, I could be wrong. Look, you see the wipe marks? Looks like they've used flux and wiped it away. I don't know. I don't know. Or that could just be from the pads. Maybe. Alright, let me discharge these caps. If there are even any charge in it. Right, she's now just messaged me so I could see. I'm so hot. Did I turn that off? No. $2,500 TS412. Yeah. Oh my god, that's a big boy. Oh, hang on. It looks almost the same as. I can't show you because of the number. Damn it. Still not loading. My Wi-Fi is connected. It's got Bluetooth on it. Oh, okay. Somebody else now. You already showed their number, did I? Whoops. It's kind of hard, you know. You guys are nosy. Thank you. The cost will be between 70 to 120. How much do these go second hand? Does anyone know? Oh, I could just look on eBay. Alto TS 412. Can't really buy them. £150 parts only. That's for the 312. Yeah, I reckon that's respectable. 212s, 156 starting bid, collection only. £234 brand new. Get it for. That's not the exact same one though. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's 2,500 watt. Yeah, I looked at the wrong one. It's there anyway. Yeah. £300. Yeah. 70 to 120. I think it's good. If they don't value it, let them walk away. Yeah, I reckon that's respectable. 70 to 120, depending on fault. Stop working and no sound coming, and additional, it leaks power to the body and gives electric shock. I think it's going to be Phil. Speak Swindon Repairs. Speaker Swindon Repairs. That's all it seems to be getting. There we go. 70 to 120. That's crazy. That is some careful stuff I'm going to have to do to it. Right, did I discharge these? I don't think I did. They're dead anyway. Probably won't have any because it keeps blowing fuses. Right, where's the bridge? Input is here. Bridge rectifier is here. Let's have a look, see. I could probably zoom in a little bit now with you guys. I told you, you have been passed around an audio forum somewhere. It's currently sold eBay for £334. Yeah, that's new, Arion. The way I see it, any second-hand item should be half the value of a brand new one. When you get it, touch your tongue on it. Oi, no. Not doing that. And plus, that's quite risky, man, if I've got to work on that. Shit. Yes, bridge rectifier. Let's have a look, see. P on it? Yeah, that might work. I'm actually getting... I kind of like these ones, but they're just too big. But when you take the board out, it's not bad. So it looks like I'm going to have to get into audio equipment more. At least she'll let you know. Yeah. at least she let you know. Yeah, exactly. Right, let's try it, shall we? No. Not the bridge rectifier. What? Thing is, I can't even confirm the fault first. Is the fuse any good? No, the fuse is blown. We have a short. No, that's live. No short. It's definitely on the AC side if it's blown the fuse. Where's the negative of the bridge rectifier? A second. The other side. So if I do from there to here, yeah, there's no short on there. Diodes. No short between the two. I'm gonna have to change this fuse. Testing diode mode. Yeah, I will in a second. She put shocked face. I hope the fault isn't nothing serious. Thanks a lot anyways. When can I drop it off? Oh no. Oh, it'll have to be the end of the week. I've got 3 speakers. I can't carry any more. Unfortunately, I currently haven't got the room for another one yet, as I've currently got 3 here. What day are we on? Tuesday. Probably Friday. Friday should be okay, as they, or any day after then. Yeah, they do look like beefy caps. Diode mode will show fine. So red probe on a ground. 0.5, 0.5, and ground. Opposite direction. 0.5, 0.5, ground. 1 volt there. So should that be ground to ground from there? It should be high voltage reading, shouldn't it? That shouldn't be short against the positive and the negative. Why didn't it not beep when I was testing it? I guess I was just doing this. I missed those 2 end ones. Yeah, positive and negatives shorted. Ugh. That's alright, I've got plenty of bridge rectifiers. Let's go. I got these ones Phil sent me. Hopefully it's a similar value. Ugh. Oh yeah, maybe I'll get the speaker out of the way quick. How many viewers have I currently got? I've got it hidden, so I don't know. Thanks once again, Andy. Friday sounds good to me. Perfect. See you then. She said she looked on Google and she sees that I've got really good reviews. I was like, oh, thank you. I do. Only 40 of them, though, but I guess a lot of people see that. And someone's even commented saying, oh, yeah, I took a PCB to him and he fixed it for a reasonable price. Hoping it's not that expensive. 66 watching. All right, thank you. 67. 4. I'd be gutted if it was 4. All right, thank you. That's not bad considering Joey's streaming, unless he's ended early. I might as well check probably these little things here as well to make sure they're not blown and see if anything else is blown. 69! Woo! 4 in my office. Oh, no, that's cheating. Phil, you've put me on 4 different monitors. Joey finished about 2 hours ago. Oh. Well, that put a downer on me then. Oh, here comes the rain. Hey, Google. Remind me 2:20, pick up Scarlet Rose. Shit.
Alright, I'll remind you today at 2:20 p.m.
I didn't realise what the time was. Sorry, dude. No, it's fine. Hey, that's 134 if you just count in eyes. Hey, that 134 if you just count in eyes. Oh, is it? Okay. That's not bad. That many eyes on me. Now, this is going to be kind of hard to take out. Unless I could do that. It's coming. I think it's coming out. No? Damn it. My soldering iron's getting an error. There you go. Right, the solder's liquefied. So why is it not coming out? No, it's solidified again. Bloody hell. What the actual hell, man? Oh, nearly. Are you kidding me? Why? Oh. There's more glue on it. You could have told me. Oh. For God's sake. Oh, Andy, you forgot more glue on the other side of the bridge. What? Decoder is streaming there. Oh, is he? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Yeah, that's true, Phil. You have some strange people. If you've got that many people in your... That many people with that many eyes. It's falling out. It's falling out. Well, it started to. Are you actually kidding me right now? It's literally out, but it's not. There we go. Finally. Bloody hell. Jesus, that took a hell of a bit beating. Cool. Ow. So, BGBU. Yeah, I've got BGUs. GBU, BG, BFGs. Ow. Ow. More glue. Too late now, Tom, but thank you. Shit. Time is it now? 10 past. For God's sake. Oh my God. Sorry, Mr. Early Falcon, mate. What do you mean? BFG? No, it's BGU. I've got them. I don't know what the 400s mean, but I'm sure it'll be... That's still hot. Right, let's try out a circuit. Plus and minus. What are we saying? No short. What? The bridge is fine. Crazy. Okay. See if it's short still there. It is. Voltage injection. Wait, is it this diode near it? Nope, diode's fine. This diode is fine. It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. So why is there a short, huh? I'm gonna have to do voltage injection to check the cap. Oh, that's a 400 volt cap. Jesus Christ, I didn't see that one. Little cheeky bugger. Could have died. Still dead anyway. Caps never go, man. .40 UF. The ESR is low, and it's 47 UF, so that's fine. Could be one of these. Oh, for God's sake. 45 ohm. What about this one? That one's gone as well. That's 1 ohm. 0 ohm. All three of these have gone. What is it? Can't see what that is. So it might just be these things. Yeah, one of them. Test out. Yeah, I will. Any faulty component I come across, I will. I could just do voltage. Injection. It's not the easiest to get to. I'm going to just do voltage injection, you know, and see what gets warm. Be easier to pinpoint the actual bad faults. And yeah, you can put DC into AC. That is still warm. That is still holding its temperature. So negative is this one. Negative. Remove them and test. Why can I not just they're hard to get to. That's why I don't want to take them out just yet until I really need to. So let me check these. Oh, they're diodes. I'll check them anyway. Yeah, they're fine. So I could probably do it with one hand. Yes, we all have a fairly big heater grid on them. What are we on about? Five minutes. Thank you. I'm not putting 12 volts into it. It's not a massive short. I'll do 2 volts. Whoa, that's amping out. Holy crap. All right, 1 volt. 4.7 amps. Jesus. 4.7 amps. Ultrasonic cleaner's on 35 degrees. It's getting there. Still pretty hot. Maybe I'll best do this when I come back. Yeah, they both feel really hot though still. Actually, they both feel hot. Mainly this one. But I guess I'll have to lift it up and have a look. It is climbing the temperature. Let's try it now. No? Nah, it's probably best to do it when I'm back. I don't know. It's getting hot exactly where I'm pushing it. 59, 60 degrees. Is it on the other side? Let's try it. I think I could inject voltage from this side. This one. Oh, make sure you're not connected to anything. I think I might have to wait for the board to cool down. It's just getting hot when I'm injecting. 4.7, that's, yeah, there's obviously a short somewhere. 5 minutes, yeah, I'll have to test it when I'm back. Yeah, those, I am not my strong, I leave to you guys. Thank you. Right, I'm going to have to call it there until I come back. But at this point, I might just have to end up taking these off. And if it's still shorted, then it will be the transformer after that then. Yeah, great first live stream, Andy. Bye all, thank you. Yeah, hopefully we'll get this sorted out. I thought it was just going to be the bridge rectifier. That's annoying me that it's not. Right, yep, I'll see you guys just after 3 or on 3. Thank you, JFix. Thank you, Arion. Interesting things. Yes, I'm going to go pick up my daughter. See you later. Thanks to everyone, all the lurkers who's watching. I will be back. I need to continue with this. Claw Slug. Thank you. Bye, Simon. Bye, Ozzy. Bye, James. Codder live? Yeah, I'll probably watch him while I'm waiting to pick her up. Right, I'm going in 3, 2, 1. Oh, bye, Toltec. Bye, guys. See you in a bit.